We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
1. Launch the Facebook Messenger app. Select your contact to chat with. 2. Tap the video camera icon. You should see the video camera icon in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Tap on the icon to start your call.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.